Hi everyone, I'm Victoria. Many people think overlay mosaic crochet is complicated because it looks so intricate, but it's actually one of the most relaxing, slow-made techniques there is. Today, I'm going to share my 5 golden rules that will unlock almost any mosaic pattern for you. Once you know these, you'll be able to create masterpieces. Rule number 1. Always work on the right side. In overlay mosaic, we never turn our work. We always work from right to left. Rule number 2. 1 color per row. One of the best parts about this technique is that you never have to carry yarn or deal with messy mid-row color changes. You simply use 1 color at a time, snip it at the end, and start fresh. While this does create a fringe, wait until you see the back. Unlike other methods, there are no loose loops or a chaotic mess of ends. Everything stays incredibly neat, flat, and professional looking. Believe it or not, you only need 2 basic stitches to create these incredible, complex designs. It's like a secret code between the chart and your hook, and I'm going to show you exactly how to decode it right now. When you look at a mosaic chart, don't let the colors overwhelm you. Just look for the symbols. First, we have rule number 3, the BLO rule. On your chart, a blank square tells you to stay in the back loop. You'll work a single crochet into the back loop only. This is the foundation of your work. It leaves a tiny ridge exposed in the front, which acts as an anchor for your future stitches. Then, we have rule number 4, the flow rule. This is where the magic happens. When you see an X on the chart, it's telling you to drop down. You'll work a double crochet into the front loop only of the stitch 2 rows below using that anchor we left earlier. By following the X's and the blanks, you are overlaying the colors to build your design. It's a simple system that tells your hook exactly where to go to bring the artistry to life. Rule number 5. Secure your edges. To keep your work from stretching or looking messy, always work your border stitches through both loops. This creates a strong, straight frame that holds your art together. Using these exact 5 rules, I recently completed a special project for TRSS, the rock school. Here in Canada, our mascot, the lion. I used overlay mosaic. It's a great example of how these simple rules can be used to create something strong, detailed, and full of character for a local community. I'd love to teach you how to create your own charts. Let me know by hitting the like button. I've designed these beautiful baby blankets. You can find all the information and project links in the box below. I hope these 5 rules give you the confidence to start your first mosaic project. You can find my latest mosaic patterns in my Etsy shop. And don't forget to join our Facebook community of artisan makers. Happy stitching!